for how are you? This is Teacher Riz and I welcome you all in our music class. Alright, so are you ready to learn? Okay, that's good. But before we start with our very interesting topic for today, let's sing a song first. I guess you are familiar with this song. The song is entitled Row, row, row your boat. Alright, do you know the song? Okay, if you do, then let's play the music and let's sing together. Okay? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Alright, very good. Alright, so that's it. So were you able to sing with me? Okay, did you enjoy singing the song? Or do you like the song? Okay, very good. But my question is, what can you say about the rhythm of the song? But wait, do you know what is rhythm? Okay, class, when we say rhythm, it is the movement of the beat. Okay, now, do you know what is movement? Okay, movement, class, how fast or how slow is the rhythm of the song that we sang a while ago? Okay, so what can you say about the rhythm now? Okay, the rhythm of the song that we sang a while ago, it has what? Fast or slow? Okay, very good. It has a slow rhythm. Very good. Good listener. Okay, now since we are done singing, we're done answering with those questions, so now let's proceed to our very main topic for today. Are you ready? Okay, that's good. Alright, so our lesson for today is all about the musical symbols. Do you know what are the musical symbols? Okay, so we are going to talk about the musical notes and the musical rest. Okay, question. What is the difference between the two? Why is it there are two groups of musical symbols? When we say musical notes, class, it is what? These are the musical symbols that symbolizes woo sounds. Okay, meaning we can hear. Okay, example, if you're going to clap, okay, you can hear my or the sound of my clap. Okay, how about the musical rest? When we say musical rest, class, this is different, opposite from musical notes. Musical rest, these are the musical symbols that symbolizes silence. Okay, so meaning there's no sound. Okay, example, if I clapped a while ago, then like that, there's no sound. Okay, do you understand what is the difference between the two? Okay, very good. So for us to know the different examples of this group of musical symbols, then let's start with the examples of the musical notes. Okay, example number one, we have here whole note. Okay, what do you think? How many beats for whole note? Okay, there are 4 beats. Okay, 4 beats. How are you going to do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next, half note. Okay, so the word half, so it is the half of the whole note. So how many beats for whole note? 4. So what's the half of 4? 2. Okay, so meaning half note receives 2 beats. How are you going to do that? 1, 2. It's not just clapping, class. You can stomp, okay? You can do that. Or you can, what? You can hit the table. Or you can hit your table. Okay? Next, we have here quarter note. Okay. What is a quarter note, class? This is the half of the half note. Okay. So how many beats? Since half note has 2 beats, so obviously there is 1 beat only for quarter note. Okay. How are you going to do that? 1. Okay. Or stomp. Okay. Next, we also have the last one. We have 8 note. So 8 note, class, this is the half of the quarter note. So meaning, what's the half of 1? Of course, it's 1/2. Okay, so how are you going to clap if it's 1/2? So if a while ago I did that, then you can do like this. You can clap a little bit quick, like that. Okay, 1/2 beat. Do you understand? Okay, very good. And now, let's proceed to the examples of musical rest. Okay, always remember, class, musical notes represents sound, but musical rest represents silence. Okay, so let's start with the first example. First is we have the whole rest. Okay, so if whole note receive 4 beats, whole rest also receives 4 beats. Now, how are you going to do that without sounds? Okay, all you have to do, you can clap, but you can just count in your mind, just like this. Do you understand? Okay, next. Half rest. Okay, if half note receives 2 beats, then also half rest receives 2 beats. You can just do that. Okay, don't forget to count in your mind. Maybe you will be confused or you will get confused. Okay, next we have the quarter rest. Okay, quarter rest receive 1 beat. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so don't forget to count. Lastly, we have the 8 rest. Okay, if 8 note receives 1/2 beat, 8 rest also receives 1/2 beat. You can just do that. Okay, a little bit quick. Okay, can you now see the difference between the two? Okay, very good. And now, let's have our first activity. So this activity, class, I will be showing you some musical symbols, and then all you have to do, you are just going to give the name and also the beat of each symbol. Do you understand? Okay. The first symbol. What's the name of the symbol? Okay, we have, this symbol is half note. Very good. So how many beats for half note? Yes, very good. It has 2. Okay, there should be sound because it's half note. Next. What's the name of this symbol? Very good. The name of the symbol is whole rest. Okay, very good. So how many beats for the whole rest? Yes, exactly. It has 4 beats. But how are you going to do that? Very good. Next. What's this? There's only one. Okay, another one. Okay, very good. It's half rest. So how are you going to do that? How many beats? 2, okay. Okay, do you understand? Okay, I think you are ready for our next activity. Okay, so our next activity class talks about, or this is all about mathematical class. So if in your math, there's basic, what? Basic operation. Also, in music, there is basic operation, which is addition. Okay, yes, you heard it right. There is addition in music. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. So all you have to do, class, is that you are just going to add the given musical symbols. Okay, this is a combination of different musical symbols, the musical notes, and the musical rest. Example number 1, we have here whole note, half note, plus half note, quarter note. Okay, you are just going to add the value of each musical note or the musical symbol. Okay, let's try to answer. The first one is whole note. How many value for whole note? Or what's the value for the whole note? There are 4 beats. How about half note? 2 beats. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Plus half note again. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And plus quarter note, which is 1 beat, 8 plus 1 equals 9 beats. Is it easy? Okay. Next, you are going to answer number 2, number 3. Okay. Okay, so I will just give you 1 minute to finish answering those 2 numbers. Okay, time's up. So, were you able to answer? Okay, so let's answer together. Number 3. Number 2, I mean. So, number 2, we have the quarter note plus quarter note plus half note, then quarter note. Let's add. Quarter note has 1 beat, right? Plus quarter note again, 1 beat too. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus half note, which is 2 beats. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4. And the last one, plus quarter note, 1 beat. It has 5 beats all in all. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, very good. Next, the last number is we have the whole rest plus half rest plus quarter rest plus quarter note. Okay, let's add. Whole rest receives 4 beats. Half rest receives 2 beats. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Plus quarter rest, which is 1 beat. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus quarter note, 1 beat, 7 plus 1 equals 8 beats. Did you get the correct answer? Who got the perfect score? Okay, very good. So you are really listening to Teacher Reese. Okay, since you understand now how to solve, how to add those musical notes, the musical rest, then I think you are ready for our quiz. Am I right? Okay, that's good. So now this is the end of our lesson, and thank you for listening, grade 4, and I hope you've learned something today. Take care, grade 4. Bye-bye.